Hi there, I'm Daniel. I'm the developer of the Deneb custom visual for Microsoft Power BI. But for those who don't know or might be coming in uninitiated, Deneb is a particular type of custom visual. It's a little different to others. You do still install it like any custom visual from the app source marketplace, but it gives you an environment that lets you build and create your own custom visuals using the Vega languages. So that's Vega and Vega Lite. It's been quite interesting seeing how people have responded, and it's been amazing seeing people's creations. And I've had some fantastic feedback, and that's been awesome. So I've been hoping to keep reciprocating with this community adoption by releasing new features over the last year or so. And in the last couple of updates, I've communicated that it's perhaps been a bit more challenging to do that, mainly because it's grown over a couple of years worth of development, and I've had a lot of upskilling to do as well. So whilst features have been built, there are some technical debt introduced or some challenges to work around, and as such, it's getting quite difficult to keep building on top of that legacy. In terms of where Deneb V2 is right now, I'd say it's in a pre-alpha state. It's getting there. It's not quite ready for people to start using in their own environments yet, but hopefully soon. But it is certainly at a point where there's enough to show you how it's looking and how it behaves and what you can expect. We're at a point where I can actually take a little bit of time to walk you through some stuff. And that's what I'd like to do. So I've thought about this kind of almost like a developer diary type format where it'll be a bit more condensed. It won't be such long videos where we're going to be going through the whole thing, but some short targeted walkthroughs of how the visual's going and specific areas that we can focus on and hopefully give you some ideas about how you might like to use the new features or give you some confidence that things are moving along. So these will be really free format, largely unscripted, not heavily produced, but hopefully it'll give you the ability to see what's happening. And I'll do these whenever I can. I don't know how often it's going to be, but hopefully when there's stuff to show. And I do have a reasonable backlog of things to demo. So we'll catch up with certain areas in the first view, and we'll probably focus on specific things. I think in the next one, we'll talk about the UI overall. And I'm really hoping that you'll like what you see. So thank you for everyone that's been using Deneb. Thank you again for your feedback. Thank you for the creativity you're showing and all the stuff you're producing and helping others for those that are doing that. It's amazing to see, and I'm so glad that it's got a little place in the ecosystem here. So until next time, which hopefully won't be long, and I'll look forward to catching up then. But yeah, thanks very much and take care. We'll speak soon.